Imagine this situation: your door opens randomly. You don't like this and want to fix the problem. To do this, you will need a hinge like the ones that hold the door in place. Secure the hinge in a vise and knock out the hinge pin using a hammer and a metal rod. Cut off the middle guide attachment of the hinge pin. To do this, you can use a drill with a small cutting disc clamped in the drill chuck. Now you need to reassemble the door hinge with the cut-off center guide part. Find a spring with an inner diameter that matches the size of the hinge shaft. Cut the spring so that its length matches the size of the cut-out part of the hinge. Bend the ends of the cut spring. You can use pliers for this. You now have a torsion spring. Now, using pliers, spread the ends of the spring apart, thereby creating tension in the spring. Insert the spring into the place where the part of the hinge has been cut out. Assemble the hinge with the spring by inserting the hinge shaft. The upgraded hinge is ready. Make notches for the new door hinge in the free space of the door frame and door. You can use a chisel for this. Insert and secure the door hinge in the prepared space. Everything is ready. Now the tension spring in the new hinge will keep the door closed at all times. The door will no longer open randomly.